After gaining a comprehensive understanding of the DAO's rules and governance structure, you're equipped to embark on the next important phase, creating a persuasive liquidation proposal. This proposal is not merely a statement of intent, but a roadmap that vividly outlines the need for liquidation and a proposed strategy for its execution. The first step in drafting the proposal is understanding the importance of clarity and precision. You must succinctly articulate the reasons pushing for liquidation. Whether it's due to operational challenges, financial distress, or changes in the DAO's strategic landscape, these reasons should be clearly communicated, substantiated with data and analysis where possible. The next part of the proposal outlines the proposed approach for liquidation. Here, you should provide a step-by-step breakdown of the liquidation process, from the voting mechanism to the distribution of assets among the DAO members. It's crucial to ensure that this process is fair, transparent, and in compliance with the DAO's rules and smart contracts. One of the main objectives of this chapter is to help you draft a proposal that reflects the interests of all stakeholders. This means considering the views and concerns of all DAO members. It involves understanding their concerns, anticipating their questions, and addressing these effectively in the proposal. In addition, we dive into real-world examples of successful proposals to learn from those experiences. By examining the language, structure, and strategies used in these proposals, you can gain insights into what works and potentially avoid pitfalls that might lead to conflicts or miscommunication. Moreover, we will delve into the art of communication in the DAO environment. Learn how to present your ideas convincingly, using clear and concise language that resonates with your audience. This involves not only crafting the proposal text but also engaging in dialogues and discussions as part of the proposal submission process. Lastly, we'll walk you through the procedural steps for presenting your proposal to the DAO community. Understanding the formalities of the submission process is vital for ensuring your proposal is reviewed and considered by the DAO members. From the submission format to the channels of communication, we cover all aspects to ensure your proposal reaches the right platforms. By the end of this chapter, you should be well versed in drafting an effective DAO liquidation proposal, one that not only communicates your ideas effectively but also respects and acknowledges the interests of all community members.